former US president. Donald Trump has entered a plea of not guilty in his Georgia election fraud case, opting to forego his appearance in court next week. Mr. Trump is one of the 19 individuals accused of conspiring to overturn the 2020 election results in the state of Georgia. He voluntarily turned himself in at Fulton County Jail in Atlanta last week, where his mugshot was taken, consistently denying any wrongdoing. Mr. Trump characterizes the case as driven by political motives. In total, Mr. Trump is facing 13 felony charges, including racketeering. The allegations center on his alleged efforts to pressure Georgia officials to reverse the outcome of the state's 2020 presidential election. A court document submitted on Thursday by Mr. Trump acknowledges his understanding of the charges and his right to be present in court. "I fully comprehend the nature of the accusations and voluntarily waive my right to attend my arraignment and to have the charges read aloud in open court." The document states, bearing his signature, while Mr. Trump, a leading contender for the 2024 Republican presidential nomination, attended his previous 3 arraignments, he chose not to virtually appear for a distinct case in Washington, D.C., and was physically present for the cases in New York and Florida. All 3 proceedings saw heightened security due to the presence of Trump supporters and counter-protesters near the court premises. Fulton County, Georgia, is the only jurisdiction where defendants can opt out of appearing in court during formal criminal charges. Brian Tevis, an Atlanta attorney representing one of Mr. Trump's co-accused, Rudy Giuliani, mentioned that defendants are inclined to waive their arraignment 99% of the time when given the option. This week, 3 other co-defendants in the case, including former Trump attorneys Ray Stallings Smith and Sidney Powell, as well as former celebrity publicist Trevian Kutti, entered not guilty pleas. Originally scheduled for September 6, Mr. Trump's arraignment, along with those of the other defendants, was set to take place in 15-minute intervals. Charges against all 19 defendants, including Mr. Trump, involve violations of Georgia's Racketeer, Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, commonly known as the RICO Act. RICO laws are employed across the U.S. and at the federal level to assist prosecutors in connecting individuals who committed crimes with those who orchestrated or ordered them. The Fulton County's District Attorney, Fani Willis, a Democrat, has faced criticism from certain Republicans and Trump allies for indicting Mr. Trump in this case. In August, State Senator Colton Moore sent a letter to fellow Republican Georgia Governor Brian Kemp, urging a special session for the impeachment of Ms. Miss. Willis, in response, Governor Kemp expressed the need for evidence to justify such a move during a Thursday news conference, emphasizing his commitment to upholding the law and the Constitution regardless of political implications